Wow, it's been years since I came back here. You know what? The first place I want to visit is my favorite childhood restaurant.
I used to come here all the time. They made the best food ever. I can't wait to eat there again.
All right, I found the address. Let's go. This is gonna be so good.
The GPS says I'm here. Perfect. The restaurant should be nearby.
Wait, what? There's no restaurant here. I'm sure it used to be here. I remember this place clearly. Let me check the address again. Nope, the address is correct. So where did the restaurant go? Let me drive to my friend's house at least.
Now here's the interesting part. That restaurant story wasn't really about food. It was about Excel. A href error happens when a formula tries to reach a destination that has been deleted. Just like Tom drove to the correct address but found that the restaurant was gone. Let me show you the 4 most common ways this happens in Excel and how to fix each one. Chaos 1, referenced row. Deleted. Right here, this formula is simply reading the value from cell B3. You can see it returns 200. Now watch what happens when I delete the row that contains B3. Delete row. Immediately we get a href error. Excel is basically saying, you told me to go to B3, but B3 no longer exists. If I undo the deletion, everything works again. Chaos 2, referenced column deleted. This formula is pulling data from column B. Everything looks fine right now. But if I remove the entire column, delete column B, there it is. Another href error. The formula still wants data from column B, but that destination is gone. Just get back the column B and href will be gone. Chaos 3, lookup broken after column deletion. Now let's look at VLOOKUP because this catches a lot of people. This formula is looking up a value and returning data from the 3rd column. Works perfectly. But watch what happens when I delete that 3rd column. Instant href error. The formula is still asking for column number 3, but column 3 no longer exists inside the lookup range. The fix is simply to update the VLOOKUP range and adjust the column number. Once I do that, everything starts working again. Cause 4, referencing a deleted sheet. This formula is pulling a value from another worksheet called Sheet 2. No problem so far. Now let me delete Sheet 2. And there it is, href. Excel knows I wanted something from Sheet 2, but the sheet is gone. So if you ever see this after cleaning up worksheets, check whether a reference sheet was deleted.